Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how you can organize your digital life. With all the files, photos, and emails piling up, your digital space can quickly become overwhelming. Let's explore some practical steps to bring order to this chaos and get you back on track. Step 1. Start by organizing your files using a logical folder structure. Create main folders like Work, Personal, Finance, and Projects, and break these down into subfolders such as Work, Project X 2024. This makes it much easier to find and manage your files efficiently. Step 2. Manage your email effectively. A cluttered inbox can cause stress, so begin by unsubscribing from newsletters you don't read. Use filters to sort incoming emails into relevant folders and labels to quickly recognize important messages. Set a routine to keep your inbox tidy daily or weekly. Step 3. Backups and cloud storage are essential. Regularly back up your important files to an external hard drive and consider using cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. These tools not only keep your documents safe, but also give you access to them from anywhere. Step 4. Establish a digital declutter routine. Just like your physical space, your digital environment needs regular cleaning. Once a month, have a digital cleanup day. Delete unused apps, clear old downloads, and properly file new documents. Step 5. Prioritize security and password management. Use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, and utilize a password manager like LastPass or 1Password to keep them secure and manageable. This ensures your accounts are safe and prevents the hassle of forgotten passwords. And there you have it, 5 steps to organize your digital life. Implementing these will help you create a cleaner, more efficient digital space. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity and organization tips, and feel free to share your own decluttering insights in the comments. Thanks for watching.